split. It is a function available under string class for splitting the string into array of string objects. Okay. Now, in which scenario the split method will be useful? You need to know that first. Basically, right now, whenever cross-platform communication in the sense, let's say front end I will be developing by making use of Java, JSP, some other technology. Back end will be there in some other technology. Let's say they might have developed in PHP, otherwise .NET, some technology. Now, whereas whatever the input which I have taken, if I need to send to them, otherwise, PHP backend, front end to backend if I am transferring the data, otherwise from backend to front end when I am transferring the data, during this time it is cross-platform communication which we are doing over here. Cross-platform in the sense, it is different technology, different concepts only we are using. Sometimes Android to Java also will be communicating. These kind of scenarios will be available. During that time, to reduce the communication gap between front end and back end, we will use so many technologies. Got it? So many technologies in the sense, previously we used to make use of text file. Later we came up with a CSV file. Later it went to XML. Right now JSON is used highly. Got it, right? Still some old projects, they are making use of this CSV concept. CSV full form, comma separated value. In the sense, whenever you are getting the information about one particular product, one particular customer, whatever it is, that information in a file we will be separating with comma, otherwise semicolon, otherwise colon. Some or the other separators will be available over there. Is that clear? That particular data we have to read it. We will be storing into one particular string. We have to split it. Split it in the sense, let's say if I have got his name and his number separated by colon. Now that complete data, it will be available in one string. That I have to split it, whereas after splitting, first portion will be his name, next portion will be his number. In that way we can separate it. For that we will make use of this particular split method. Is that clear? See, here we have hello content which is separated with colon. Okay. Now if I want to split this particular string, how many splits I can make? How many splits? 5 splits. First portion, after colon second portion, after colon third, after colon fourth, after colon fifth. Clear? Now s dot split colon, I am splitting it. After splitting, I am getting some set of objects. How many? I am not very much sure. So we are creating a string object with array size. That means I may get either 5. Here in this scenario we are getting 5 only. In huge programs and all, we will be getting so many values, so much data we will be getting in the form of array. So we will be storing that particular data into this particular array without any size. I am not specifying any size. After that, from 0 to end of the array, I am iterating, printing one by one. First I will be printing H, E, L, L, O. One sec. It's got hand. Clear? Any doubts? Now, suppose if it is there like this, how many splits I will get? 4 only. Clear? Any doubts? Make a note.